Before we get started, just to let you know, there are 2.4 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum option expiring today after this video goes live in general market. So expect volatility. Do not panic if there is a crash in the price or if there is a panic bump, whatever. Do not panic. It is due to this. But let's get into the video and what we gotta talk about. First thing first, we got a tap on 2 or 3 different airdrops as we see over here. The BCKC, the 4th largest social app, which is gonna be huge in the next bull run. On the Lens protocol, just dropped this official NFT over here. We got over 1,800 people have minted already. It is important, so we go and mint it as well. Any change that you want, it is about $2 to go and mint it, if not a little bit less. $2.02, so we go and mint it. And this NFT, it is the official one from BCKC over here, which is revolutionized social media with DeFi magic. 32,000 followers. They're gonna have an airdrop. It is on Lens protocol. They're gonna have an airdrop too. So it is a very 3-in-1 airdrop situation, 4-in-1 if you count the possibility of Zora, which we saw yesterday, has already launched their token. It's testing out a few things, and the airdrop is coming very, very soon. So make sure to go and mint it. Link is down below. It is actually nice. 1,800 people already do it, so they know that it is important. Following up, we do have a special 3,300 extra point over on Welto to go and bridge to and from Scroll, and this one is a 2 airdrop in 1 because you got the bridging from Scroll and to Scroll over on Welto, which I will leave you the link down below. And as you see over here, we got all the points, so we gotta do 1 trade, 3 trades or 5 trades, and you get this extra point. These points also go for the Owelto number 4 NFT over here, which only got 2 days left to mint. The point will be counting, and as you see over here, I've done all of them and I'm ranked 558, so make sure to go and do it. As well as if you go over to the scroll.bridge, this one will allow you to complete these 3 quests over here. We're farming Owelto and we're farming the Scroll one. We have the possibility to go over to our Scroll canvas, switch on Scroll, and which, by the way, these are a new quest as well on the Scroll canvas. As you see over here, I have mine, and we got the entry Scroll Bridger badge, bronze, silver, and gold. So make sure to do them all. Then come over here to the Scroll canvas and make sure to go and grab yourself this canvas over here on the badges for the Owelto and Scroll NFT. So we're farming 2 airdrops in 1, as well as this multiplier, which comes out in a couple of days for you to go and receive the full multiplier for the airdrop in case you have received all of this. Next up, we got a juicy update over on Stake. Now we've seen Stake, this is a Stake chain. It's not Stake, the website that you know and people play on it. This is Stake the chain. Now they have a new website over here and 2 new Galaxy quests, all of them for free. It is all on a testnet situation, as we all know. Follow them on Twitter and visit the first Stakeless app. So this will allow you to go and utilize this page over here. As we see here, it is slow. Yes, it is still on a testnet. It is all on a testnet. As we see here, by going to the workshop over here, you have the possibility to go and mint on Sefolia or Arbitrum Sefolia or Base Sefolia, as you see, all for free, to go and mint different parts of the situation. So all you gotta do is, this is for the future airdrop. Simply go on to Sefolia over here and we will have the token. So simply go on Sefolia testnet. We got our testnet token. Click on I want to mint the skateboard directly, or go into the Galaxy Quest as well. And as we see over here, you can mint the procedures. You can mint all of them, as we see over here. And then also, I completed the task, don't show this message again, and click on complete. So what will this allow you to have? Well, as you see over here, it is gonna mint you a part of a skateboard, which is part of an NFT, which does give you point. As we see over here, collect enough track wheels and deck NFTs across multiple chains, then go to the inventory. So the best thing is to get one from here, get one from here, get one from here. These are all testnet. It is all on a testnet. And then, as you see, you got, by the way, you got here, you got track 4364. So go to the inventory, keep collecting, up to you. Let's go to the inventory over here. And by the way, you have the faucet up there. So you can simply click over on the faucet and it will send you the Nolly Ethereum as well. But as we go back to the inventory, we do have 2 ones. So we got this one, which we're gonna put over there, and this one, which we're gonna put over here. To go and simply collect more, we got the parts inventory, the board inventory, and the used inventory. To collect more, all you gotta do is to simply to go back to where it was at the workshop and mint again. So mint another one and keep on minting. Remember, this is all on a testnet. So just keep on minting, create the transaction with their testnet and everything, and you are good to go. And we do have this one, the Galaxy Quest. So follow and visit, free to go and earn. You get 600 points, as we see over here, 600 points by claiming this, and then you will be able to go over here. Of course, as we saw, you cannot really do it on a farming situation, so cannot do it on a day-to-day or a minute-to-minute basis. So make sure to go and do it on a basis at least every day. Following up, a very important thing that you need to listen closely, and this is these tweets by Dmail itself. So Dmail has launched the Q3 2024 Dmail airdrop is live. In celebration of reaching our staking goals, we are airdropping Dmails and SKL rewards to eligible users. Please visit our official website to claim and collect your season 3 rewards. And they say they have turned off the comments. But if you click over here, which is their official post which they have released, it does open this page over here. Now, I will leave you Poket Universe down in the link below, in the description below as a link, because as it is a protector for your wallet, it does say that the Dmails.app is dangerous. So I would suggest you to be careful for this scam. Do not fall for it. If you have already done it and you're watching this video lately, let me know in the comment section if it is safe to go and move forward to this website. But as this one, which is simply a plugin that you go over here, you install it, and it does simply tell you, hey, this is dangerous. If you wish to still continue, just open it up and click on the unsafe side. It does tell me that there is something suspicious. They have taken all the comments off, as we see over here. They have posted it twice, 53 minutes ago. They have posted it as well 19 minutes ago. So do not click on this link. It's either something that has been hacked, it is something that, or it is simply them, but they never turned the comments off, as we see over here. They never have turned the comments off itself. So I do think it is either a scam or either somebody have entered the website, or not even the website, because the website itself is completely fine. I've checked it out before. But somebody has entered the Dmail Twitter and potentially did something like this. So be careful, because it does seem a bit odd that they took the comments off to post for an airdrop, to post to claim an airdrop. It never happens. It is not a mistake. And so I would just tell you, stay away from it. It does look like a scam. It does look like they've been, taken into a scam situation. They lost access to their Twitter. You're not into any danger, whether or not you have, interacted with the protocol before. If you have any, if you are scared of anything, simply go over here to your MetaMask, go on connected site over here, and simply go down to what Dmail is as a site, which we should be having it over here on the Dmail. Just find it in alphabetical order, or simply go and look for it. It could be that the Dmail itself could start with mail.dmail. I do not remember now. Let me check the website. Yeah, mail.dmail@ai. So as we said, simply go over here, look on the site connected. If you just want to take it off, go to the M, because the website starts with mail, as we see over here. And we will find it somewhere here. Mail Dmail, simply disconnect everything and you are good. You're disconnected from the website as well. If you are a little bit scared of it, would I do it? Absolutely yes. I mean, just do it, because this, the situation is this one. My fans over here on Squirrel still there. So I don't believe the website has been impacted, but the Twitter has. And it does tell me also, Poket Universe tells me, hey, be careful. It looks a little bit fishy. It didn't tell me this in the other airdrop, the Q2 airdrop that we have gone, the airdrop number 2 that we have received recently. It didn't tell me this, so that's why I'm a little bit suspicious on it. Following up, got a snapshot taken by the Sui land, which big news in the leaderboard next week. So if you are participating within the Sui protocol, within the Sui airdrop system, then you will have the possibility also for Sui land. Let me know if you do participate in it or not. I personally do not participate in Sui. I never participated in it, but as we see over here, the snapshot has been taken. So if you are part of it, let me know in the comments below how was the farming experience and how was the situation for all of you, as well as the Orderly network is coming soon. They have announced their Order token, 60% of net fees to stakers in USDC, huge benefits for traders and market makers, omni-chain via Layer 0 Labs OFT standards, key role in governance, and you got the whole article over here, which I will leave you linked down below. But we do have as we see over here, a 55% going to the community. Now, with 55%, it doesn't mean that all of it goes to an airdrop allocation. Part of it goes to an airdrop allocation. Community then also involves project, funders, people that invested in it, and all of that. We got the foundation, strategic investor, team, and advisors, 20%. A little bit too much, 20%, but yeah, community is getting a nice part of it. There is 1 billion order will be created, so 1 billion token supply, and 55% of it will go to the community, as we said, with stacking rewards and all of them goodies. As well as we see over here, we got the airdrop for the SUI NS holders is now live. You can check your allocation in your SUI wallet. I personally do not have it, but if you do, this is how the airdrop does look like it when you go and participate, or when you go and check your actual allocation. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. As I said, be careful out there. Download Poket Universe. It's a nice tool. It's a great tool to have in case you're like, oh, a little bit of a odd situation. So make sure to go and grab it. Link is down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.